To discuss that, I wanted to bring up the fact that another even more uh, almost unknown option for veteran borrowers is CalVet. Now, what is CalVet? CalVet is the California Department of Veteran Affairs. Believe it or not, it's a state agency and it's been around for over 100 years. It was created in May 30th, 1921. And it is a state agency that provides mortgage loan financing for veterans. And it's not well known. It's not a product that you hear much about, and yet it is a terrific product. And there's some interesting niches. VA loans don't have a credit score, but most lenders who provide VA loans have what we call an overlay on your credit score, a minimum credit score requirement. CalVet loans don't have a minimum credit score, and they don't have any overlay. They're a state agency. So if you have a bit of a challenge on your credit score and you have a VA home loan entitlement, CalVet is a great option. The other thing about CalVet loans is the interest rates on these are not market driven. These are the rates provided or offered are based on bonds, on bonds being sold in the financial markets. So the rates offered are much more stable. You don't see the day-to-day jumping around in terms of the rate possible or available like you do with a standard VA loan, which is driven more by the financial markets in terms of government National Mortgage Association bonds. The other thing is with a CalVet loan, if you already have an existing VA loan somewhere, maybe you've moved out of that house, but that loan is still existing, you can use a CalVet loan and use your remaining partial entitlement to buy another home. So essentially, you can get a CalVet loan behind an existing VA loan that may be secured by a property that you since sold, but that loan wasn't paid off. Because remember, to get your VA home loan entitlement back, you've got to have the house that was secured by that loan, or the loan secured by that house has to have been sold, and that loan had to be paid off. The other thing about CalVet, which is really cool for Riverside County, is the loan amount for CalVet loans can be up to 125% of the conforming limit. Well, the conforming limit in Riverside County is 806,500. 125% means you can get a CalVet loan for $1,008,000, $1,008,125. So just over $1,000,000, you can get a CalVet loan. CalVet has a down payment assistance program. Now, it's not actually down payment assistance. They call it DPA. It's 3%, but it has to be used toward closing costs. So with a CalVet loan, you can get a zero down payment loan, and you can get a 3% DPA help to pay your closing costs.